Hi guys, it's Shmina here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the Dyson AirWrap. Very exciting. I've been looking at this for years. I've wanted it for years and finally I've got my hands on it. So if you want to see me do this to my hair, then please keep watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. I have been looking at this for a very long time. I've been wanting it for a very long time and finally I got my hands on it. It is quite up there. It's £499, which does seem like quite a lot for a hairdryer slash curler slash brusher slash all sorts. The good thing about this and the amazing thing about this is it is a jack of all trades and hopefully master of all. So it comes in this amazing leather trunk that says Dyson on the front. Dyson. And it's got this very cute little magnetic closure and you open it and inside you get a little leaflet about stuff, videos and stuff, and then it's got another kind of flap on the top to kind of keep everything safe. It all feels very Louis Vuitton. It all feels like luxury travel, luxury luggage wear, which I do really like. So inside you open this and then you got a little thumb thing here, you open it and inside you have all of these amazing heads, I guess. So you've got a blow dryer, you've got, oh, we can get it back in. You've got 4 curlers, you've got a small and a large, and then you get 2 brushes. This is the wrap itself, and then you get this bristly one here. So the beauty of this product is it's not supposed to give too much heat on your hair. It's supposed to just be air wrapping around the place. So the air is supposed to be drying your hair and heating your hair and cooling your hair and curling your hair and all of that. So that's the kind of selling point of this thing. This is the USP. I've never used this, as you can tell. It's still in the packaging. Oh, I've been wanting to try this for so long. It's so beautiful. It smells new. It actually looks like it's going to be completely round, but it's more of an oval. It's kind of flat on the edges. My hair is wet. It's all up in little curly bits. So I'm very excited. Oh, it sounded really noisy. I think what I want to do, I don't really know what each one does, but I feel like this one's probably the best one for me to start with. So you put it in. Start at the back. So I want to see how quickly it does my hair and what I can do with it as well. It's pretty quick, I'd definitely say that. Like, it's been 2 minutes and I've done a quarter of my head already. I'm going to see what this one does. What's the difference? Ow! This one's a bit rough. I think the other one's a bit more chill. That one's really like fierce. It's really intense. It's just so easy. This is my last section. Hasn't been too long. I think it's been probably about half an hour, maybe 20 minutes, probably about half an hour. Mainly because I was doing all sorts of things. I was doing it 2 big sections. I forgot the oil at the beginning. That was a bad idea. It's done. My hair is done. I'm going up here so you can't see my roots. I'm done. So this is how much hair I got in the brush. Pretty intense, but not too bad. I normally have a lot more than this. And what I really like is that, so that's kind of the hair I lost. I don't know if anyone wants to see that. It's really easy to use. I also have the Revlon one, not the one that's a brush all the way around, but the one that's a fat brush. And I've been using that for like a year and I really like that. It just makes blow drying my hair a lot easier. I never use like a separate brush and a blow dryer because that's just long. So these kind of things make life a lot easier. This is actually really good. It's really light to hold. The other one I have, the Revlon one, is a bit heavier and my hands do hurt after a while. Because this is a bit slimmer as well, it's just a bit more comfortable. My hand doesn't cramp up. I wouldn't say it's like much quicker than the Revlon one. I'd say they're pretty much the same. But with this one compared to the Revlon one, it doesn't feel like it's had heat on it. It doesn't feel kind of smoky or fried or anything like that. It just feels dry and it feels good. So I do really like this. I think it's really nice. I'm going to try one of the curlers because these are like the exciting things, right? This is what everyone wants, right? It's so weird. Oh, it feels hot. It feels really hot. It feels a lot hotter than it did on the, it's really grabbed my hair. It feels a lot hotter than it did on the comb brush one. It's just so weird. Oh, wow. A little bit mature, but wow, that's cool. Okay. I don't know what's going on. I think this would work better if you've got longer hair. Oh, it's kind of cute. Okay, let's do another one. It's kind of cool. This is not the look I was going for. What's going on? This is funky, I guess. Madame Bouffant, is that you? Oh, wait, it is me. A little bit of oil. So it's not too frizzy. Just a little bit frizzy. This oil smells so good. So guys, that's my finished look. I do really like this. I do feel a bit poofy and coiffed, and I don't know how often I would use the curly one. And if I was to use it, I think I would just take it much smaller, do smaller bits by bit. But I definitely think there's a lot of room for mastering it, and there is a lot of things I can do. And I did really like just drying it with this. I think that did a really good job and exactly what I wanted it to do. I think the curlers were really fun, and I definitely do need practice because half of it's still straight. Like, I don't know what happened there. Let me... I think it's quite incredible the way it can just literally grab hair and curl it for you. Like, it does all the work for you, which is really cool. Obviously, I do need to practice, so I'm gonna have another play with it and give it another go. Maybe you'll see me with another curly bob do. But I really like this. My hair is like clean, it's dry, it doesn't feel too dry. I think it's a really amazing kit. I'm really glad I have it, and yeah, I'm really excited to play with it more. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.